Solemnity of the Most Holy Trinity. Thus, the one God revealing Himself as three persons allow us human beings to completely know and experience His total and perfect creative power and His saving and sanctifying act. Realizing this mistake, this makes us even more courageous and steadfast amidst life challenges, especially as a consequence of our being believers in Him. With the Holy Trinity to lean on, we can face any obstacle or evil opposition. May we love the Most Holy Trinity above all things and imitate the Triune God in caring for creation, in giving our lives for others, and in using our gifts for the benefit of the body of Christ. Please like and subscribe.